This is hijacking Amazon account. So, is it possible to hijack Amazon account? Is it possible to take your money from the Amazon Pay? Yes, it is possible. It is possible just using the sessions. Okay, but Amazon is very smart. Amazon always try to change the sessions in particular durations. Okay, so it is very hard to change the Amazon session ID because it it makes some changes in particular time duration. So whenever it find mis any mistake, or we can say any type of this hijacking or hacking activity, so Amazon automatically block that particular account and it intimate the user that someone unauthorized activity is done on your account. So Amazon is very smart and a very good security applied on Amazon. So I'm just telling you that what to do with the Amazon account. Is it possible to hack hijacking Amazon account? Yes, it is possible to hijack Amazon account from session. Okay. So what you need to do to practical this account? First you need to create the Amazon account. If you already have Amazon account, there is no problem. Go to Amazon.com, log in from one computer. Okay, and again press F12. Okay, when you will press F12 key, go for applications. Okay, again go for cookies. Then what you need to do, you need to look for, okay, I'm just making the clear this variable's name. Okay, there is some changes. We have two variables in the Facebook account. That first is XAC and second is ATAC bill. Basically, it represents the account activity. AC stands for in the sense of account activity. So what you need to do, you will do the same method for the Amazon account, but what here you will require to access the value of these two variables like X AC bill or and we have AT AC bill. Okay, so I can show you here. I have my account on Amazon. So you need to log in for the Indian region for the India. So type amazon.in and you can also go here for the country changes. When you will go here, you need to log in at the first time. When you will successfully log in your account, then again press F12. I have pressed F12. Then you need to take the value of these two variables. First is we have first variable is you need to find the variable because Amazon is very smart. It changes the variable in very random manner, very fast manner. So I have first variable that X hyphen AC bin. Okay. So I need to double click on that particular value, copy that value and paste it. Okay. Suppose for example, I have taken these values. So AC bin, I have taken this value. Similarly, for uh, different user account, I have done this exercise already on my account. So what you need to do, you need to just copy this value and paste it anywhere in maybe Notepad. And similarly, you need to copy this value and paste it in the different you can say mail or Notepad. When you will copy both this value, you just need to reopen your you just need to open your amazon.in in any browser, but in different PC or different we can say different browser account. So when you will do this, you will just require to add these two values xac dot under hyphen b hyphen bin and then at hyphen ac bin. Okay, you can try it. I just request all the users to do it, and when you will do it, then you can know how this account can easily be hacked. Okay. In a similar way, I've reopened the amazon.in in my Indigo browser. I am using Google Chrome browser, so I have opened it. Similar way, you will go to the application, then cookies, and then here we have three websites which is used to store by the Google Chrome, in which we have to select the first one, that is the www.amazon.in. Okay, when you have selected this, cookies session information will open. This you can see here. I am not logged in with my account. Okay, again I'm showing you that there is no name in the particular session. So what I'm doing, I'm just going to enter my current value. Okay, for the x, I just need to create variable x acbin. Okay. You can see here that I'm trying to write the variable name, but it is changing with the time. So it is very important for all of us to, if you want to hack your Amazon account, then you need to be very fast in the entering manner. So you can update the information with a particular time duration. Then I'm writing the variable name. Okay. I request all the participants to do it in your own computer. Okay, fine. I have created a variable x atbin acbin because it is not available in the list. Again, what I will do, I will just copy this acbin value. Okay, from the login browser. I'm logging here. You can see here. You can see here. Hello Manish. It is my own account on Amazon. So I'm just logging it. I'm just making to copy. I'm just copying the value of 80 pin, 80 AC pin. So I'm just copied the value. Sorry, XAC pin. I have copied this value. Then I will go to the Indigo browser. I will paste that value here. In the similar way, I will go to the AC pin at 80 pin AC pin. Copy its value. So I need to create a variable if. Okay, done. So I have just copied those values, and the particular time duration you can see here in my Indigo browser. I am just logging with my account. With this two session information, I am just logging with my account. So here you can see how how it is easy to hijack any user account with this two session information. But hackers are always try to take this information from the cookies. So we always suggested to clear the browsing history, clear the cookie, do not store any value in the cookies. So these all are for security purposes. So this is from using this hijacking my account. Now I can directly go to the Amazon Pay. Okay, so you can see here my Amazon Pay account. I'm not using my Amazon Pay account. That's why its balance is zero. So, but it is very easy to hijack and take the information of an user. You can also do the recharge. You can also do the transaction by this two information. So I hope you should try this. You should try it, or you can try later after this session.